Okay, this is what I'm going to use for next time I go pick up some few cans. I got this basket here. Let's put some, there we go. So that's what I'm going to use next time. Happy recycling.
You're in my scooter, y'all. Guess what? I found this in the trash. Someone left it out there. Now I got a free scooter. But guess what? It runs on 2 batteries. And it only has one. It's got a nice basket. So you can see the basket. This is a little thing right here. It's a scooter. And I got it, but it's some kind of legal bride. Woo! So when I get this thing going, get new batteries for it, charge it up, and we're gonna be out the road. And I'll take y'all along with me. What do you think about that? I'll take you along with me. We'll go pick up aluminum cans. My tooth is really like killing me. It's like I feel like my gums all sore. But yeah, we're gonna boom, 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 boom. Woo, woo. So you can push it down like this. Seriously, you can put it down. So you can put it down. You can lever it down like this, or you can put it up like this. So, isn't that cool? Boom, 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 boom. Watch out! Watch out! Man of the scrapper. Battery's gone low. I need to charge it up. Watch out. So this is my new scooter. And when I get it ready to go, I'm taking y'all along with me. Yeah. Remember guys, L is for love. Love yourself and love others. And keep on recycling.